Granted na ang ancillary task is actually for preparing of lesson plans, preparing of instructional materials, especially kung ikaw at teach all ka, ang dadaming i-prepare mo. Yun yung purpose ng ancillary na 2 hours in preparation of actual classroom teaching. Yun yung purpose ng 2 oras na yun. Na for each learning area, meron kang 20 minutes to prepare for that particular lesson. I-divide mo, 2 hours. That's 120. 120 minutes. I-divide mo into 6 learning areas. That's around, magkano? 20 minutes. So for each learning area, for 6 learning areas, you are allotted about 20 minutes to prepare for that learning area. Lesson planning, instructional material. Granted na yun talaga yung purpose ng kung bakit mayroong 2 oras. Kung isasali mo pa yung coaching, mentoring, and provision of TA dun sa 2 oras na yun, binawasan mo rin yung preparation of preparation of teaching learning related activities na para dapat sa mga learning areas na yun ng mga MP.